I want to show you a new travel backpack that I really like by TomToc. I previously featured their duffel style navigator in my best carry-on backpack of the year post. This bag has a different style though, front panel opening, similar in style to designs like the Patagonia MLC. This bag, however, called the Urban EX77, this is the 32-liter size, is larger, cheaper, lighter, and I think has a better carry system. I think this bag is going to fly under the radar on a lot of the review channels because it's advertised as a commuter tech backpack. However, it has a huge main compartment that's easy to pack, some great small gear organization, a good padded laptop sleeve, very comfortable backpack straps that make this bag perfect as a small carry-on. The Urban EX77 comes in 3 sizes, 22, 26, and this is the largest and the 32-liter version that I have here. They're all going to work carry-on size. However, if you want this to be a personal item, you're going to have to go down to the smallest 22-liter version. One reason I like this brand is they make really good quality bags for the price. This bag is made from mid-weight ripstop polyester, water-resistant coating. It's not going to be quite as nice as bags 2 to 3 times more expensive, but for the price, this is a very well-made bag with higher-end hardware, YKK zippers, and all the pockets locking on the main and laptop compartments. One of the reasons I like the design on this bag is it offers a lot of small gear and tech organization, but it does it in a way that doesn't take up a ton of space and weight in the pack. For example, this front panel has 2 large external pockets, also has 2 internal pockets. You can fit a good amount of stuff in here. This thing expands out pretty good, but if it's empty, you can see this thing folds relatively flat and doesn't really take up any space. Similarly, laptop compartment, this thing full opening panel style, lays completely flat, larger sleeve, 16-inch and a smaller tablet sleeve on the back. Each one of these sleeve dividers has its own separate padding as well as the thick back padding on the back of the bag. But you can see from the side, the entirety of this thing really isn't that thick. The carry system on the Urban EX77 I think is also great. Simple, wide, well-padded shoulder straps. It's got a thick back padding covered with breathable mesh, good air ventilation, a luggage pass-through sleeve here if you want to use it with a rolling suitcase. I've taken this bag on several hikes over the past few weeks, and I love the way it carries. But probably the main reason that I like this bag, and I think it's a good contender with similar packs like the Patagonia MLC and the Air Travel Pack, is just this large front panel style main compartment opening. Especially compared with bags like the Air Travel Pack, the X77 here, the padding and the pockets just don't take up that much space, which gives you a lot more room for your clothes in the main compartment. And just to give you an example of what I'm talking about, this is the Patagonia Mini MLC here, 2 packing cubes in here, and you can see there's still a little bit of room, but the main compartment is mostly packed. Now, the Urban X77, this is 2 liters larger, so not a complete one-to-one comparison, but you can see just how much more room I have here in the main compartment compared to this bag, which is just 2 liters smaller. And just as an example, these are the Peak design. This is the large compression cube and the small compression cube. Those are going to fit perfectly in the bottom of this bag. Still have plenty of room on top. Toiletry kit, throw a tech pouch over here, and just a light jacket, and that's pretty much going to fill up the main compartment. It's just popping out a tiny bit. That's that bag fully packed out. Again, you still have all the space in these top pockets. I didn't put anything in here, but you certainly could. 2 top pockets. Also top slash pocket I didn't mention. Still lots of room for small gear. So again, I've carried this bag around for a few weeks and I really like the way it carries, very comfortable backpack straps. I like the way this bag looks, clean, sleek design. Really easy to pack main compartment, several smaller exterior pockets, but they don't make the bag look messy. So again, very well made, solid bag, great design. Again, it's also way cheaper than some competitors like Mini MLC, I think is like $200, Air Travel Pack, $220, $230, something like that. So I don't think this is quite as high quality as those bags, but definitely really great value for the price at something like $140 for this pack. I hope you enjoyed this review on the TomToc Urban X77 32-liter size pack. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.